the favorite hot gossip. Rushing up from the ocean is Katni, moving up by the Raleigh Thunderbird to grab the late hot gossip. In between runners, Concert King Danori inside his ideal blue plain and simple gray Magic Silver Ridge, while entry number 2 Blue Phoenix is running at the tail of the field back to the front runner. Thunderbird, followed by Hot Gossip. Concert King is running by the road. Katni alongside 450 to number 1 Ideal View. And rounding the far turn, Thunderbird by about 2 lines. Hot Gossip, Concert King, Katni, Ideal View, and Gray Magic as they race the last 450. Thunderbird by Oriel and Kinap. Hot Gossip on the outside. Concert King, Katni on the further outside as they race the last 250. Thunderbird, Concert King, Danori inside. Hot Gossip, Katni on the further outside. Thunderbird, Concert King, Hot Gossip, Katni on the outside. Concert King, Katni, and in the finish line, Concert King with JB Guse, Voltaire, Ikumpansoy, second, Katni, Hot Gossip, Thunderbird, Gray Magic with number 1 Ideal View.